This is the Sony A5100. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. It is a budget camera. It's basically meant for a starting channel, or somebody doesn't want to spend a huge lots of money. It's still a good quality camera. It does include all the features that you would want. These are all the items that you can get with it. You get extra batteries and chargers and all that. Stands. In the back here we got Sony 5100. It's A5100. Model number ILCE 5100L. We got seems like it's compatible with all these features here. SDC, HDMI. It's a Mac. Let's see here. Here's the front. It says E-mount. It does have a flip-up screens for the selfies for the YouTubers if you guys want to blog. This PZ, it does have a lens. It's a 16 by 50 millimeters. So this is gonna be most likely like your wider lens for blogging or for doing close-ups. Not really for cinematography or far away shots, but for close-ups and blogging, that's perfectly fine. This is a 24.3 megapixel fast hybrid AF touch focus shutter, built-in flash. I believe this is a touch screen. All right, let's get to the unboxing. As we can see, and this is gonna be a big upgrade from my. If you guys been watching my channel for a long time, this is gonna be a big upgrade because I usually record these videos on my Gopro 5. It's a really old GoPro. So we got some instructions, some literature here. Limited warranty, Wi-Fi connectivity, and some more stuff here. Maybe to register the device. I'll read these through later. Put this back here. Then on the unboxing here, as you guys see, we got some sort of lantern or something to carry the camera with. It says Sony there, so we'll put this right here. Then we got a charger. Looks like a standard cell phone charger. It may be different for this camera specifically. We got a battery here. It does come with only one battery. I would suggest you getting, if you're going to be starting a YouTube channel, I would suggest you be getting more batteries. I will be ordering some more batteries. They are cheap, by the way. Here's a wire. It seems like it gets standard micro USB with the USB adapter on the other side. So just a standard. Then the camera here. Yeah, looks like this is the camera by itself. Alright, just put this box over here. Nothing else on the box. Not really. So alright. This is the camera. It's a fairly small camera. As you guys know, it does fit on my hand. I have bigger hands, but still it's a fairly small camera. It does have like some sort of nice. And just to let you guys know, I'm not really a tech, I'm not really a tech expert here. I know just the basics about cameras. There you go. So it is a 3.5, 5.6 PZ, 16 to 50 OSS. So like I said, it's mainly a blogging camera. It does have on and off. It does have a flip-up screen, I believe. Yep, flip-up screen like that. So if you want to do like vlogs like that, you can do vlogs and look at the camera, see what's so like I said, this is a fairly inexpensive camera. It is a beginner's, still great quality though. For the price, I mean, this you're getting what the new cameras, the new Sonys have. The new A series have in a cheap version of it, you know. Might be a little outdated, but still, you know, you're getting the same quality as the A50 or 650 or the 6300. All right, let's put the battery in and let's turn it on. Let's see here. This is the battery. As we can see, it's an NPFW50, and you can buy these online, Amazon or eBay. Probably off-brand, but still, you know, if you're gonna have them for emergencies. Looks like the terminals are up to the top. Alright, to lock it, I guess we lock it this way. It does have a mount for the a standard camera mount for the Gorrilapod or whatever you want to use. As far as image quality, this camera is really good. Like I said before, it does have most of the stuff that the newer Sony A series camera has. Pretty much the same. They do have a great zoom, great colors, great light, aperture. And it does have a great focus, because when you're blogging, you actually can see the camera that's picking up the focus really quick. Like if you go into your face and then go off, you will see that the camera does focus. So like I said, it does have a really nice sensor. Probably one of the best sensors ever from Sony. There was only a few downfalls that I ended up returning this camera. One of the reasons is it was overheating and it was turning off. And the other reason is the audio wasn't as I wanted it to be, as clear as I wanted it to be. As a good starter budget camera, you know, for somebody that's starting, obviously it's going to work. You know, it's not, obviously you're not going to get the best audio out of it. You're going to get the best picture or video quality. But I ended up returning this because I can get a better audio on my GoPro with an external mic. And I just didn't want to spend the money on a camera that I couldn't put a microphone on there. That's the reason why I returned it. And plus, it was overheating. It was turning off in about 6 or 7 minutes. So I had to wait a few minutes and then just back to recording. Anyways, just thought I want to share this with you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews, deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.